everyone, welcome to WayKen's channel. I'm Olivia. One question we often hear from customers is, how do you make sure our parts meet specifications? Today, instead of heading to the shop floor, we are taking you inside WayKen's inspection lab to show you how quality is verified before shipment. This is WayKen's inspection lab. From material verification to dimensional and surface inspection, every step plays a role in ensuring quality. Let's start with one of the most important systems in our lab, the CMM. For complex parts and tight tolerances, standard measuring tools aren't enough. Our ZEISS CMM captures precise 3D measurement data and verifies critical features such as precision, flatness, concentricity, and profile tolerances. Here, our inspection engineer is measuring a precision machined component. Once the measurement is complete, the system automatically generates a detailed inspection report for full traceability. Alongside the ZEISS machine, we also operate a CNC CMM to support both prototype and production projects. Accuracy is important, but so is efficiency. This KEYENCE IM8000 version measurement system can inspect multiple dimensions within seconds, making it ideal for batch inspection of small precision parts. We also have another optical measurement system, mainly used for 2D dimension inspection. Dimensional accuracy is only part of quality control. This Olympus material analyzer is used to verify raw material composition before production, helping ensure the right material is used for every project. Next is our ScanTech handheld 3D scanner. It quickly captures 3D data from complex surfaces and can compare scan results directly with CAD models to verify overall geometry. Our lab also includes a variety of inspection tools, a roughness tester for surface finish measurement, a spectrophotometer for color verification, digital height gauges for height and depth measurements, a rock wheel hardness tester for hardness verification, and a coating thickness gauge for checking anodizing and plating thickness. In addition to advanced equipment, tools such as calipers, micrometers, pin gauges, and thread gauges are used daily throughout production and inspection. Together, they help ensure consistent quality from start to finish. That concludes our tour of the inspection lab. It may not be the most visible part of the factory, but every part passes through here before shipment. Which inspection device would you like to learn more about? Leave a comment below and we may feature it in a future video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.